A motif. Habits. A figure. An arrangement. Procedures. Patterns. Patterns are everywhere, and everything is a pattern. Where there is order, there are patterns. And even in chaos, humans have been inclined to find them. Not because we choose to, but because it is deeply embedded in our being. Our minds are far older than mere humanity. Life is a pattern. Where there are patterns, there is certainty and consistency. Patterns provide us with guidance, shelter, and protection. They enable us to express ourselves, to work, and to love. Patterns enable us to be. Now imagine a pattern that is so versatile that hundreds of people are working hard every day to try and maximize its full potential. At Staco, we took a simple pattern based on lines and spaces and started looking at it in different ways. And that's when we discovered its hidden beauty. We are inspiring architects and builders around the world, enabling them to extract the functional and aesthetic potential of grading technology. As solutions become increasingly complex, so does the science behind them. That is why our people engage in endless hours of research to create a seamless harmony between reliability, beauty, and efficiency, combined in one pattern, hidden in an eye-pleasing facade. Staco. Create and inspire.